What's up, y'all? In this video, we're going to do a forearm workout. The lateral surface of your forearm is responsible for extending your wrist like so. The medial surface of your forearm is responsible for flexing your wrist as so. The front lateral surface of your forearm is responsible for lifting your wrist as so. And the medial lateral surface of your forearm is responsible for dropping your wrist like the way you're seeing. Now, this is rotating your wrists left and right. And not only your forearms is working out here, but your bicep and the brachialis muscle underneath your bicep. All right. What I'm showing you here is when you open and close your hands, there are these interosseous muscles in your palms of your hands that are flexing and relaxing. And you need to work out those tiny little muscles in there to have a good grip strength. So that your forearms could work in unison with them. So when you're doing these exercises, you want to roll the dumbbell all the way to the tips of your fingers and come up to the top with a good squeeze. That way, you're working out the grip muscles in your hands and you're working out your forearm when you finally squeeze to the top. All right, as I'm doing right now. All right. It's important to work out your grip strength along with your forearm strength because when you're in the gym doing bench pressing and pull-ups and a lot of things that require your wrist to be strong, your hand grip strength and your forearm strength should be working in unison evenly. So if you don't train your wrist to be strong, it may lead to injury, especially in your wrist. I did injure my wrist one time before, and I've learned from my lesson, and that's to always never to forget to work out your wrist. So I'll do these exercises usually at the end of a workout, like after I do chest or after I do back, or even after I do squats, maybe 2 times a week, or maybe even just once a week. It's just important just to not forget to work out this vital muscle. Plus, it makes you look good in your short sleeve shirts and that sort of thing. And it's your forearms is a very visible muscle. And when you have nice broad forearms, it just makes everything look nice. All right. But most importantly, don't forget to do these rotary type movements here, because it kind of sort of works everything out. As you can see, if you're looking at my forearms, you see all the muscles contracting because everything's got to be strong for you to do this motion properly. All right. Okay, this apparatus right here is called the Gripmaster Pro Hands, and you could buy this at Amazon or any sporting goods store like Dick's Sporting Goods. It's like maybe 20 bucks. What's good about this thing is that it works each finger strength individually. Okay, it's really good for working out your grip strength and working out your forearms. You see my forearms working out right here? You could play with this thing when you're watching TV or you're talking to your friends on the phone, or, you just got some dead time on your hands. All right. Now, the traditional grip strength exercise is a little bit different because it's not working out your individual fingers, but it will work out it will give you a good grip strength, and it'll work out your forearms, just not as good as the other contraption there. All right, so I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.